guys. No, that was wrong. That was all wrong.
It's all good.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to the Blackstone Show. I'm your host, Big Brian.
Big Brian.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Blaxstone Show. Today is Freaky Friday.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Blaxstone Show. And
Okay.
today we have another cooking segment for you guys. Today we are going to be making black bean and Poblano Flautas.
Poblano is pronounced
Poblano
Poblano
Flautas. Yeah.
So instead of fajitas, it's flautas. Gotcha.
So today we're coming at you with a recipe made by HelloFresh, and we got all our ingredients delivered to us by HelloFresh. We've used HelloFresh before, and we actually liked it. So we recently decided, since we've decided to go pescatarian, that we would try HelloFresh's pescatarian meal options, just to kind of give us a little bit of a foundation as to what we want to eat as we move forward with this journey. So, like I said, today we're doing HelloFresh's black bean. I can't talk.
It's bleen, right?
No, it's bean.
Black bean.
And
Black bleen.
Poblano Flautas.
We are not sponsored by HelloFresh.
Yes,
but hey, y'all want to sponsor?
y'all go ahead.
I'll let you, boy. We're gonna make it look just like the picture.
We are adding our own extra protein, which is shrimp. So Brian seasoned this shrimp with adobo sauce, and it's actually been marinating for hours. So this is gonna be pretty good with our flautas. You have to look at it.
Flautas. Pronounced flautas.
But yes, especially during a pandemic, we don't like really going to the grocery store like that anymore. So if our groceries can just come to us, that'll be perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. We have our drinks on deck. And today we're sipping on sparkling white grape cider. All right, guys, so I will be drinking on sparkling white grape cider, while Brian is gonna be sipping on whatever it is he gonna be sipping on. So we're gonna go ahead and get this video started for you guys. We'll try to make it really quick. We're just gonna be really chilling, chatting like what we do. Okay, and he put Tito's vodka in there.
We lit. What you talking about?
Well, stay tuned. I probably shouldn't have did that.
But you lame.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
out there, Willie.
I know what I'm doing.
Don't nobody want all that goddamn salt in their potato salad.
Commercial for HelloFresh. I told you, paying or nothing. HelloFresh, you need to cut the check for your boy. Even though we added our own to it.
You right. We're finna cut the video right here. You right. So yeah, we finna cut it right here.
So somebody gotta get up to cut it. I'm still eating. So we might still be on this motherfucker, but y'all can start watching now.
I'm finna get up after I take this bite.
I gotta finish my last bite. I'll get up. Ain't no more. Oh, some more left. Shit.
Don't touch my food. Yes. How you turn it off?
Press the red button. Yeah.
I didn't feel